Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, harder vehicle to find than most regular trucks. This is a 2020 Ram 2500 heavy duty Hemi 6.4 liter regular cab, 8-foot bed, 4-wheel drive. It's got all the basic essentials that you're going to need, especially in the 2500 segment. So all the towing capability you're going to need, and all in all, a very nice vehicle. First of all, on the front, you're going to notice we have the upgraded front bumper here, chromed out little grille here with the little black insert. All in all, an extremely nice vehicle. Nice rims, as you can see. Like I said, it is the 8-foot bed, so it is the longer bed of the longer of the two beds that Chrysler does have to offer in this particular segment of truck. Rear tow system with a 4 and 7 pin wiring hookup. You also are going to have a factory backup camera located right here. There is no bed liner in this, but it can be added very easily. And like if I did not say it when we first started, this is a 4-wheel drive truck. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain. I believe it's 5 years, 60,000 miles on this specific truck. So plenty of coverage from the manufacturer. Power windows, power locks, and power side mirrors. It also does have vinyl floor. You can't really see, you can kind of see there in the center by the 4-wheel drive shifter. But we did upgrade this vehicle with the Ram logo rubber floor mats and the 2 front seats here. This is a 3-passenger vehicle. Right now it's set up for 2 people, as you can see. You can simply flip up that center console, and that's where your 3rd passenger would sit. Cup holders for up to 3 drinks, and a small cubby hole right there, as you can see, for little change compartment, and also a USB plug built in there. Automatic overhead headlighting, which is located right here. These 4 buttons here on the bottom are going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center, give you all the readings of all the current operation of this vehicle while you're driving it. You also can do hands-free with this vehicle. Simply program your phone into this radio, and you can simply answer your phone call and carry on your conversation through the speaker system by simply hitting the phone button. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have cruise control. And like I said, it is a push button start-stop. So the key fob, which is in my hand right here, you simply put it in your pocket and you're good to go. Whenever you jump in the truck, you can simply put your foot on the brake, hit the start button, the vehicle will start up for you. Turn knob, park, reverse, neutral drive system. I just put it in reverse, and as you can see on the radio, you do have your factory backup camera. Very nice radio. It's all touch screen, AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. It also comes with a free subscription to Sirius XM radio when purchasing this vehicle brand new. Very nice feature to have. Built-in compass in this radio. You can also download media into this radio, and much more. All your AC and heat system, your climate control systems located right here in the center on these 3 knobs. Factory brake controller. 6 auxiliary switches located right here beside the factory brake controller. Tow haul button. 4-wheel drive system right here can be shifted easily into 4-wheel drive, high or low. And on the passenger side, you also do have that upgraded floor mat, just like the driver's side has. There is a small storage area behind the driver and passenger seating, as you can see there. You can definitely store some stuff back there. All in all, extremely nice vehicle. All the basics you're going to need. 2020 Ram 2500 regular cab, touchscreen radio, backup camera, 4-wheel drive, 8-foot bed, all the towing capability that you would need. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see this vehicle online, all the still pictures and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.